Why is his eye like that?
Just twitching. So
You
mad.
can't even open it up.
You're so mad you're gonna see one eye. You know?
I'm sideways.
Yeah, don't you move.
You can't hit me because I ain't touched you. Why your eye twitching? You touching me?
Come on, can you get harder than that?
Because I ain't touched them. What's wrong with your eye? You can't see out that eye.
I don't know what's going for that eye. He doesn't have a pressure or anything. Just something
I
off
work
the
your
eye.
nerve that bad. You got a lazy eye. What you?
Why are you looking at me?
Looking at you like.
Get her out of here. Why she in here touching me?
Why he got one eye moving? You touched me!
Say, kiss my ass.
Ouch! Ouch!
Get her, get her, get her, get her. Beat her up. Yeah.
Ow! Ouch! Don't hurt this time. Are you confused?
You're waiting.
And?
I'll do it.
No.
No.
I want to